Good morning everyone. Today is 25 November 2025. Let's have a look at major headlines from the Indian Express newspaper. First news is major eruption in Ethiopia after 10,000 years smoke reaches to India. So it is related to environment which is under GS3. Moving further, we have another news on under Article 240 which is relevant for GS2 topic. Moving on our third news, Delhi chokes PMO flags vehicle 37% non-compliant, which is relevant to for environment. Here PMO emphasize on the EV vehicles, which is related to GS3. As you can see in this image, where Chief Justice of India is taking the oath, which is relevant for the judiciary and GS2 topic. Moving further, now here on the second page you can see environment news, which is relevant for GS3 topic. Notified Tiger Reserve in Goa recommended SC appointed panel. Now another news is also which is a continuation part of the PMO flags, where PMO emphasize on the EV vehicles. Now it is relevant for the GS3. Moving further, the another topic is about the international relations and economy, which covers in both the GS2 and GS3, where Afghanistan offer 5-year tax break from Indian investors. Another news is after 2 years standoff, India Canada to resume talks, which is related to IR and GS2 topic. Another news is center footprint in Chandigarh is growing, which is in the context of Article 240, which is relevant for the GS2 paper. Now moving another news, as you can see here, Chief Justice of India is taking our oath, which is the continuation of our previous news, which is relevant for the GS2 topic. Moving further, here GS3 security, where Navy commissioned Silent Hunter INS Mahe after 2 years of trial. So it is the first Mahe class submarine. Moving further, our defense and security topic, India France to jointly manufacture Hammer air to ground weapon, which is relevant for both IR cooperation, GS2 and GS3 defense and security. Moving further, here are editorial page, where you can go for the science and tech, farmer must reap fruit of genetic engineering, which is relevant for the GS3 paper. Moving further, here you can see economy topic, new labor codes cut red tape, new states have to act, which is relevant for the GS3 paper. Another is related to the environment, where at COP30 a dividend world find common ground, which is under the GS3 topic. That's all for the today's major headlines from the Indian Express news. Thank you.